Welcome to today's Japanese tiny house tour. In this video, we will take you inside a stunning Japanese tiny house that combines simplicity and natural light and also smart functionality in one compact design. If you are someone who loves minimalist living, or if you are simply curious about how a Japanese tiny house can feel both cozy and spacious at the same time, this tour will give you plenty of inspiration. The very first thing you will notice about this Japanese tiny house is the small terrace at the entrance. The terrace is simple yet elegant, just big enough to welcome you into the home, or to serve as a quiet spot for a morning tea or coffee. In traditional Japanese architecture, the entrance is more than just a doorway, it is a transition space, and in this Japanese tiny house, that idea is beautifully preserved. The small terrace adds character and warmth, setting at the tone before you even step inside. Once you enter this Japanese tiny house, you will be immediately drawn to the wide glass openings. These expansive windows and sliding doors allow plenty of natural light to pour into the home. Light plays a very important role in Japanese design, and here the wide glasses openings transform the interior of the Japanese tiny house into a bright, welcoming environment. They also create a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors, making the compact home feel larger than actually is. Moving into the central living space, the minimalist philosophy of Japanese design becomes very clear. The Japanese tiny house has central room with very few items of furniture, which keeps the space uncluttered and calm. Instead of filling the room with bulky furniture, the designer have chosen to highlight simplicity. There is a practical minibar table in the center of the space, a clever addition that brings functionality without overwhelming the room. This minibar table serves multiple purposes. Can be used for casual dining, as a work spot, or simply as a place to share drinks with friends inside the Japanese tiny house. The atmosphere in the central room reflects the core of Japanese minimalism. Everything has a purpose and nothing is excessive. Thank you for joining us into the Japanese tiny house tour. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more Japanese tiny house inspiration, and let us know in the comment what you love most about this design, whether it's the wide glass openings, the small entrance terrace, the minimalist central room with its minibar table, or the loft bed above the bathroom. The Japanese tiny houses is filled with details worth appreciating.